Today, we're diving into how to create new pages in Power BI Report View. This is essential for anyone looking to extend their data analysis across multiple focused reports from a single data source. Let's jump right in. Welcome to MadeEasy. My name is Jane. Together with our dedicated team, we're here to make software learning simple and enjoyable. Explore our wide range of video tutorials for a seamless learning experience. We've already covered how to create a new Power BI report to avoid data mix-up when importing unrelated data. If you haven't seen that video, the link is provided in the description below. Now, let's focus on adding new pages. If you look below and to the left of your canvas, you'll see that we're currently on page 1. Just like in Excel, you can manage your report pages with similar ease. To add a new page, you can simply click on the plus sign next to the existing page tabs. Alternatively, you can go to the Insert menu and select New Page. Here, you have the option to start with a blank page or duplicate an existing one. Here, in this new canvas, we can create another visualization for our data. If you right-click on a page tab, you'll find options to duplicate, rename, delete, and hide the page, providing flexibility in how you manage your report structure. And that's everything we'll cover in this tutorial. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and explore more tutorials on MadeEasy. If you're new here, we'd love to have you join our online community. Thanks for joining us on this learning journey. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.